Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I will be talking about toners. So a lot of people ask, what is toner specifically? Do I need toner? Do I not need toner? When do I use it? What is it for exactly? So that is what we are going to be talking about today. So definitely guys, keep your minds open because this is going to be a very informative video. Alright guys, so let's start off with the obvious question. What is toner? So toner is a part of the cleansing process. So remember when I said in my basic skincare routine video that there's different steps and I break it up into 3 parts. So toners I put in the cleansing portion of the 3-step skincare process that I have. So what toner does, generally speaking, is that toner is going to help remove any impurities from your skin. Also, toners are there to replenish the skin as well as balance the skin, generally speaking. But there are many different types of toners out there that do different things, but generally speaking, again, it helps to cleanse the skin, it helps replenish the skin, as well as helps balance the skin. So now on to that next question, when to use toner. So you typically use toner, like I said, in that first step, which is the cleansing step. So of course you wash your face with whatever cleanser that you have, and then right after you're done cleansing, that's when you use your toner. Question number 3 is, do you need toner? So this question is a little bit tricky, but if I'm speaking generally, yes and no. So it just depends on what your skin type is, what your skin condition is, and things of that nature. So for example, somebody who has acne-prone skin, they would get a toner that is going to help prevent their acne, such as a toner that may have salicylic acid in it, which salicylic acid is a great ingredient for treating breakouts and things like that. Or somebody may have really dry skin, and there are toners out there that help aid in replenishing the skin of its moisture. So depending on what your skin situation is, depends on what toner you may want to get or may need. Again, not everybody needs a toner, but if you want to add a toner into your regimen, there's certain things that you have to consider. For me personally, I don't use a toner all the time, but the main purpose of a toner when I do use it is just to balance my skin, and that is all. I just like to keep my skin balanced and fresh looking and hydrated. So that is the purpose of the toner for me personally. So just to give you an example of a few different toners, specifically toners that I have tried. Currently right now I am testing out the Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner. I've only tried this twice now, so it has treated me really well so far. But yeah guys, definitely this is an example of a resurfacing toner where it does have that glycolic acid in it. And if you guys want a more in-depth video on glycolic acid or specific things involving toners or just ingredients, then definitely let me know in the comments below. And also I have tried this a couple of times. I actually purchased this right before I purchased the Badescu, but then I stopped using this and started using the Badescu because I wanted to really test that out. But this is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Toner with Aloe. So the reason that I got this is because I noticed it in Walmart and I was like, hey, you know, this is a toner. I wanted to talk about toner, so let me pick it up. This toner is specifically marketed for acne-prone skin. It's used to help with blemishes. It's used to help with detoxifying the skin, and of course it has that aloe in it, which aloe is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. So yeah, this is another example of a toner. And last but not least, another example of a toner that I have used personally is the Murad Hydrating Toner. So I do not have that toner on me right now, but that toner is really good. It's a toner that does not have alcohol in it, and it is also very balancing of the skin, very calming, very neutralizing, and very fresh toner that's going to replenish your skin or help aid your skin, keep the moisture in your skin. So definitely there's many different categories of toners, but again, you have to find the toner that is specifically for your skin to get you to your end goal. Alright guys, so that is it for this Skincare Diaries episode. Definitely guys, if you like these skincare videos, give this video a thumbs up. Let's talk in the comments down below. Are there any specific topics that you guys would like me to talk about? Are there any products you guys would like me to test out? Leave all that down below. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later in my next video.